It's blooming.
It's blooming.
Oh,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cake and Candy World. So today we're doing how to inflate a balloon. We need balloon, marker, baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. So first we draw a picture on the balloon with marker. If you don't want to draw, it's okay, but I think you guys should draw to make it more interesting and fun. So we already draw our balloon. Now let's put the baking soda in the balloon. Now I'm done. And then keep the balloon and put the food coloring into the vinegar. I'm gonna use yellow. Two, three. Now I already put, shake it together. Mom, my turn. Wait.
not yet. Wait, cake first.
Okay. Then I'm gonna put this yellow balloon in. Oh, this is for candy. And maybe I'm gonna use the white one. Not the white one. Oh my!
It's blooming.
It's blooming.
It's blooming. Can they look? Wow.
I know it. I'm broke already. There's more baking soda.
Wow. Wow, amazing.
Like the oranges.
Like the orange juice.
Lemonade. Like the
It's blooming. Okay, show me the face of balloons.
The bunny.
Yes, the bunny is so beautiful.
Mom, my turn.
Yes, it's Candy turn. Candy take a vinegar.
That is red. Mom, you have pepper.
No, I have, but I keep it. Cake have candy, please. Open for candy. No, candy, don't do like that. It's small. Yes. A little bit cake.
Mom.
Okay.
No, you could not put.
More candy, not put more. Put only 2 or 3 drops.
Good.
Good, that's good.
Put
1 or 2.
Good.
But it's enough.
Good enough. Shake it.
Okay, and then put.
Balloon. This is my balloon. Mommy, can you put the food coloring in this one?
But how can they put the balloon into the bottle?
You need help? Oh, sorry.
You can tell cake nicely. Wow, it's blooming. It's blooming. Wow. Show me the face. Wow. Show me.
It's done, Mom.
Oh, it's done. Wow, who draw the picture?
Me.
What's the picture?
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow. So funny. And put more cake here.
And the icon are red and whisker. Mom, can I put now?
Not yet. Okay, now it's the cake turn, the last one.
Mom, I want to do it again.
Okay, that's okay.
Can I draw now?
Yes, you can.
Oh my gosh, where's this so fun? Mom,
Yes,
hand.
yes.
Look at the balloon.
Not yet, not finished. Has more baking soda inside. All done? Not yet.
Think good.
Wow! 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 Wow!
And
Wow!
one more
Wow!
that
Wow!
Mommy make.
We have 3, 4. Candy is okay.
Mom don't have that. Guys, look, we already make it. These two are for me, and this one is for Candy. Go away. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys later. Bye.
Candy, bye.
Bye.